The chairman of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Ndlea, Brigadier General Muhammad Buba Marwa, has decorated the president of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, with a badge as an ambassador of war against drug abuse in Nigeria. The Kano state commander of the Ndlea, Abubakar Idris Ahmed, made the decoration on behalf of the national chairman of the Ndlea when he paid a courtesy visit to the university on Tuesday, the 25th of October 2022. He said the aim of the visit was to establish a collaboration with the university in order to enable the agency to contribute its quota towards the moral upbringing of the students while in the university.
The chairman, chief executive of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency that came in newly, Brigadier General Muhammad Buba Marwa, having been confronted with that statistics, he came up with a different approach to what is happening here in Kano. Part of the approach is that I have been posted. One, you as the person that posted me to Kano, to come and see what I can be able to do.
He said the target of the drug peddlers is to destroy the futures of youth by targeting innocent people through the creation of a market for their illegal product. The Ndlea commander said the agency will soon commence surveillance around the school and students' hostels with a view to tracking down peddlers of the illicit drug in the areas. He added that the agency will support the university in its fight against drug abuse among students in order to make the university a model institution in Nigeria. Earlier in his opening remarks, the Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, described the visit as an important one, considering the significant role the agency plays in tackling drug abuse, especially among the youth.
I would like to say that Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, with its sister institution in Niger Republic, is a partner in progress with National Drug Law Enforcement Agency.
He said the university is ready to partner with the agency so as to ensure that the institution remains free from drug abuse for conducive teaching and learning. Also in his contributions, the Director Institute of Africa Higher Education, Research and Innovation, Dr. Abubakar Sadiq Haruna, said students seeking admission in the university have to undergo drugs tests at the university clinic, as the institution has zero tolerance for drug abuse and other related offenses. He said any prospective student tested for a drug and is found positive will not be admitted into the university. Dr. Haruna, who expressed hope that the partnership would yield fruitful results, added that the university management will continue to do its best to sustain the fight against the menace. In his remarks, the Director, Academic Planning and Quality Assurance, Dr. Nura Eyaro, described the visit of the Ndlea officials as timely in view of the importance of the agency. He said the university would from time to time invite officials of the agency with a view to sensitize students on the dangers associated with drug abuse. In his vote of thanks, the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, thanked the Ndlea team for the visit.
First of all, I would like to thank Ndlea and his team for paying a courtesy visit to the Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria.
He said the university would give all the necessary support and cooperation to the agency in order to make the collaboration a success. Other principal officers that also attended the meeting, including the Vice President Finance, Mr. Abdurazak Kayode, among others. The state Ndlea commander had also presented a plaque to the president of MAAUN as part of the activity to commemorate the visit.